Welcome back to our channel, the one-stop solution for all your development needs. Today we are going to talk about Docker Compose and will guide you step by step on how to spin up DVWA, the damned vulnerable web application using Docker Compose. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such informative content. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and managing multi-container Docker applications. With Docker Compose, you can manage your application services in a single file and run your application with just one command. First things first, ensure you have Docker and Docker Compose installed on your system. If not, check out our previous video on installing Docker and Docker Compose. The link is in the description. Now, let's create a Docker Compose YAML file for DVWA. We'll create a file named docker-compose.yml, a new directory. Okay, I create a new folder. For example, in Windows, if you are using Windows, you called it folder. In Linux, it is directory. I create my directory with command mkdir and it called DVWA or mkdir DVWA. Okay, then enter this your directory and create nano docker compose.yml file, YAML file. It's called YAML file, and in here this Docker Compose file, what it's include, it's a DVWA image. It's called a keep Tokia DVA PHP version, and let's stop it, restart. Your port, this is hostname, this is for your environment and your database, and don't forget DVA and password. Okay, next, this is your environment, your network and volumes. Okay, click to Control O, yes, Control X, then write Docker Compose up. Perfectly. Now, if you open a web browser and go to your RP address, for example, in my I write, it is my IP address. If you don't know, you just write ifconfig and you can learn what's your IP address. Okay, click to enter. I write admin, default credentials is admin and password. Click enter. Perfectly. But when you first time you install this vulnerable application, you need to click create and reset database button to initialize the database, and you are ready to start using DVWA. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully spun up a DVWA instance using Docker Compose. This setup is perfect for learning testing or demonstration purposes. For example, when let's open our server. If you see, this is what I do, and if I click, for example, to brute force, you can see it changed. It means that when you click the Control C, for example, this machine is not go down, but your vulnerable this DVWA go down. This is normal. And when you do some attacks, you can see and analyze what you do. This is a perfect way to learn cybersecurity and SOC analytics. That is for today's tutorial. If you need this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your peers. See you later.